Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone your voice with Lalal.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Lalal.ai, and once you've signed in, you actually see over here you'll have 10 minutes with the free tier. And here you're going to just look for products on the top left, and you're going to scroll down and look for voice cloner. And from here, you will now quite simply go and select the files that you need to upload so that your voice can be cloned, right? So it's recommended that you provide 10 to 50 minutes of clear audio without any music or noise. Now, unlike some of the other voice cloning software, this doesn't have the noise removal or the background noise removal. So make sure that you're looking at uploading good quality speech. Let's go and select our files. So right over here, once your files have been uploaded, you are going to add an image and a name. I have entered Sam's voice, and you can actually choose an image from this drop-down menu here. And let's say continue. All right, that took a few minutes to get done, but we are now going to click on check it out. Over here, you'll be able to find a preview. All right, so on the left-hand side, you can see it says explore your voices in different genres, so you can actually upload a sample here, and then you can actually just choose, I'm going to just choose male vocals because that is what we're doing, and then you can go ahead and play a sample and see if it actually sounds any good.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a small village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river.
Alright, that doesn't sound too bad. Well, there we go. That's the way you can clone your voice using Lalal.ai.